Yes, healthy days to you. Today we make circassian chicken. Wonderful, magnificent. We are approaching the new year. I definitely recommend you try this. Don't leave it off your tables. It is truly a delicious taste. Now we start making it. Let's make this flavor together, step by step. Here is the Circassian chicken recipe. We shred 4 chicken thighs and pull them apart. We set aside 1 cup of the water we used for boiling the shredded chicken, half a kilo of walnuts, 4 garlic cloves, and half a stale bread. That's the list. Now I'll show you how to make it. After putting our half a kilogram of walnuts into the blender, we also put our 4 cloves of garlic into the blender. Then we blend until it becomes a powder. We break up our half slice of stale bread. We pour the 1 cup of reserved liquid from boiling the chicken over the bread pieces and pour thoroughly into the bread pieces this water until it soaks it up. We take the bread we pureed into a deep bowl. Then, slowly, we add the garlic and walnut mixture that we passed through the blender into our mixture to adjust the consistency of the stuffing. We add it. Yes, the stuffing is done. Now add 1 level teaspoon of salt to our stuffing, and then continue. We keep mixing it by hand. Yes, the stuffing is done. Now we move to the next step. Yes, the stuffing is ready. We take half of our stuffing and place it on top of our chicken. The chickens like we just did, we mix it well into the chicken by mixing it in. After mixing the chicken with the stuffing, after mixing, using our hands, we flatten it. On top of the flattened chicken and stuffing mixture, we take the rest of the stuffing mixture and spread it out. Spread it. Yes, onto our ready Circassian chicken. We add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We add 1 teaspoon of our red pepper flakes and mix it. Mixing. After that, of our Circassian chicken around the perimeter. By making nice shapes, both beautifies its appearance and gives it a separate flavor. Yes, our Circassian chicken is ready for serving. Thank you very much for watching and listening to me up to this point. I hope you will also make beautiful Circassian chicken with this recipe and share it with your loved ones. I wish you all healthy days. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. I await your comments. Stay healthy. May everything be as you wish.